Hello and how are you? Let's see how to make a VS Code extension called example. So all you need to do is open your command prompt, go to the directory you want to add it in, and don't worry if it have many other items since it will create a directory in it for you. So all you will need to do is just say npm /g, then install, then yoke code. Sorry, npm install, and it will give you an error if you load something. No, likely. So all you will need to do is just go to the VS Code documentation and get the lead code. So you generate the code. Sometimes I get confused. Sorry. So will it take? Then it's installing. It should take a while, like a minute or two. So it's pressing and installing. If you already used your code generator code, anyone else, don't worry. It will check if there's any problem and install it again. So this is the first time installing it and I have no problem. So like you can see, it's still completing things. And don't worry about it. When it's done, we will start doing some cool things with your code to create it for us. Okay, one quick question. But why we did this? Why? So because there are many codes and not and files, so we can't all download it together. And now, when it is installed, just type your code, and it will light a cool button and just select new extension, JavaScript or TypeScript. The others are the color theme, which is the theme, the language, and code snippets, and many things, but we will be focusing on extension. And the name of my extension, just call it test. No, because no, yeah. Okay, so now no, we don't want to. Yes, npm unrelated, like you can see it is now created, and this is the extension for us. And this is how you can create all the things you want, and you can click on open with code. It will open it in VS Code, and you can just go to the extension and just click on the F5 and it should open this. This is like a prototype. And this is how you can create an extension for VS Code. If you like this video, please check the rest of the playlist. Thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.